Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Valorant Connection Error VAN-81. Let's fix it guys. You just need to go to search menu and type Task Manager. Click on open it. You just need to scroll down under background processes. Just need to end task the Riot client. If any Valorant processes running in the background or Riot Vanguard is running in the background, just right click on it and end task it. After that, just close stuff here. Now you just need to go to search menu and type services. Click on open it. In services, you just need to find VGC service. Double click on it. Startup type, set this to automatic and start the service. Select apply and OK for the changes. Now you just need to close stuff here and open up Valorant. Now you can open the Valorant without having any problem. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.